How to set up Claude code in Xcode. So before doing any of this, you're gonna make sure you have the Pro subscription for your Claude code. If you don't have it, you won't be able to do this setup. But once you do, and you have an account for your Claude code and everything done, you're gonna have to go to your Xcode and go inside the settings, which should just be in the top left corner. You press on the Xcode icon, and then inside your settings you should be able to see the intelligence option. In intelligence, choose the Claude in Xcode, and then you'll be able to see one option, most likely, that will say sign in. Now if you're already signed in, what's left is authorization, which should just look like this. So of course you're just going to go ahead and press on authorize if it is the right account you're doing it. If not, then switch account, of course. But once that's all done, just go ahead to your chat over here in the left tab, and then choose this drop down button, and then you can choose the Claude in Xcode option, and then choose the Claude Sonnet. But that's pretty much how you set it up. You can now start using your Claude as a conversation or as an assistant for your Xcode. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.